Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel on a poultry farm. This is the day when I went to buy my black Austrolorp chicks. When I arrived at home, I realized that we don't have space for them, so we had to make a temporary cage inside the room, inside our house. And then after a few weeks, that's where we made a cage for them. So here the guys were assisting me to move the chicks to the chicken coop.
Yeah.
Hawu. Unguri uyolesa zinto. Wameshe bojinisa na.
This is our chicks. There are about 80 of them. So this is going to be their new home that we built for them. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.